Do you know that feeling when you check your bank account and wish the numbers were a little or a lot higher? Or when you dream of achieving financial freedom that seems just out of reach? We've all been there, and today I have some exciting news for you. What if I told you there's a proven way to manifest money, based on the profound teachings of Neville Goddard? Yes, you heard that right. If financial prosperity is what you're after, you're in the right place. Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. In the world of manifestation, there's a secret technique that was once exclusively revealed to Neville Goddard's most privileged clients. This method possesses the incredible potential to manifest substantial wealth, and we're talking about potentially millions of dollars, in an astonishingly short period. Neville Goddard's confidential wealth manifestation method is your golden ticket to prosperity. It's been concealed from the public eye, only accessible to a select few. But what if I told you that there's an undisclosed method capable of swiftly bringing a vast fortune into your life? A method with the power to materialize millions of dollars for you. Before I unveil this technique, I'd like to ask a small favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your support means the world to me and enables me to reach more individuals who can benefit from this profound knowledge. Your generosity and kindness are greatly appreciated. This secret technique is on the brink of revolutionizing your life forever. You're about to discover how to use this secret to manifest money, wealth, love, and everything your heart desires. This works in just 1 hour. Today, I will share with you how to manifest millions with this VIP technique. Are you ready to tap into the universe's financial prosperity? Ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract money and prosperity into their lives? Get ready for a mind-blowing revelation. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on Neville Goddard's hidden treasure chest of money manifestation techniques. Imagine never worrying about bills, living your dream life, and having the wealth you desire, all with the power of your mind. Unlocking the power of imagination for manifestation. Neville Goddard emphasized that one's imagination is the key to manifesting anything they desire. To grasp the essence of his teachings, let's delve into the core principles of this powerful approach. Begin by deciding what you truly want in life and who you aspire to become. This clarity sets the stage for your journey into the world of manifestation. You formulate your desires and your ideal self in the theater of your mind's eye. It's like crafting a vivid mental movie, where you are the star of the show. Now, imagine what it would be like if your desires were already a reality. Feel the emotions associated with this achievement. Visualize your surroundings, your interactions, and your life as the person you long to be. This vivid mental imagery is your canvas for manifestation. Once your mental stage is set, it's time to take the most crucial step. Yield yourself completely to the depth of your being. It's a profound surrender, a willingness to let go of skepticism and doubts. This is where faith comes into play. It's not a passive belief, it's an active trust in your own inner power. The method is simple. Before sleep, assume your desires have been realized. Embrace them with unwavering faith, as if they are happening at this very moment. This act of assuming, of daring to believe, is the spark that ignites the process of manifestation. The power of faith and compelled action. As you fall asleep in your assumption, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious mind. It's a message of trust and unwavering faith in the fulfillment of your desires. This is where the magic happens. Neville Goddard's approach isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about a profound inner transformation. The next morning, something remarkable unfolds. You wake under a compulsion to take certain actions that you hadn't even consciously formulated. It's as if an unseen force is guiding you towards the externalization of your assumption. You find yourself meeting the right people, taking the right steps, and doing the right things, all aligning perfectly with your desires. This compulsion is the natural consequence of your unwavering faith. It's not forced, it's harmonious and guided. The world around you starts responding to your inner transformation, presenting opportunities and events that support your manifestation. You're not making things happen, you're allowing things to happen. The inner power within you. Neville Goddard's teachings highlight the incredible power that resides within each of us. Your inner world, your imagination, is the gateway to realizing your dreams. Your inner being is a wellspring of wisdom and capabilities, waiting to be harnessed. The core of this approach is faith. It's not faith in an external deity or a distant force, but faith in yourself, in your inner potential. You are the author of your reality, and your imagination is the brush with which you paint your life's canvas. This faith is not passive, it's an unwavering trust in your inner wisdom. The power of manifestation is universal. It transcends beliefs and backgrounds. It's a fundamental truth that empowers you to shape your destiny. By having faith in your inner being and imagination, you can transform your life, realizing your dreams and becoming the person you aspire to be. Neville Goddard's approach is a profound recognition of the connection between your inner world and the external reality you experience. By aligning your inner beliefs and thoughts with your desired reality, you set in motion a chain of events that leads to the externalization of your assumptions. The simple act of falling asleep in the assumption that your desires are fulfilled serves as a bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. This powerful act of faith sends a clear signal to your inner self that your goals are not just dreams but imminent realities. It's a testament to the faith you have in your own creative power. Your inner world, your imagination, becomes the driving force behind the changes you experience in your life. It's like having a personal workshop where you craft your dreams into existence. The more you engage with your imagination and have faith in its creative abilities, the more remarkable the results you'll witness. This approach underscores the idea that there's a higher intelligence within you. It's that depth of your own being, often referred to as the God within. This higher self, your own inner wisdom, knows the best path to externalize your desires. It's not about controlling external circumstances but about harmonizing with the inner wisdom that guides your life. So, Neville Goddard's teachings are an invitation to explore the vast potential within you, to have faith in your creative abilities, and to recognize that your imagination is the tool through which you shape your reality. Your inner world is your source of power and wisdom, and by yielding to it, you allow your deepest desires to manifest in your external world. In a world often filled with uncertainty and doubt, Neville Goddard's teachings offer a profound message of empowerment. They remind you that you are not a passive observer of life but an active participant in its creation. By using the power of your imagination and having faith in your inner being, you can manifest anything you truly desire and become the person you want to be. It's a timeless message of hope and potential that resonates with people seeking to unlock their own creative power. Neville Goddard's teachings also emphasize the importance of living from the end, which means assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This concept is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. When you close your eyes and visualize your desired outcome, you immerse yourself in the feeling of already having achieved it. This feeling is what creates the bridge between your current reality and the reality you want to experience. By living from the end, you shift your focus from lack and want to abundance and fulfillment. It's a mental and emotional state where you no longer doubt or worry about whether your desires will come to pass because, in your imagination, they are already a reality. This mindset sets a powerful intention and sends a clear signal to your subconscious mind that this is what you want. The act of falling asleep in the assumption of your wish fulfilled is a symbolic gesture of surrendering to your inner self, your inner power, and your faith in the process. It's a trust fall into the creative depths of your own being, letting go of doubts, fears, and limitations. As you drift into sleep with the assumption that your desires are already realized, you allow your subconscious mind to work on your behalf. During your sleep, your mind continues to process your assumptions, and you may even receive inspired ideas or take actions the following day that lead you closer to your desired reality. The compulsion to take action that aligns with your assumptions is a testament to the power of your inner world. You'll find yourself naturally drawn to opportunities, people, and circumstances that resonate with your assumptions, and this is where the magic of manifestation truly happens. It's not about trying to control every external detail but trusting that your inner guidance will lead you to the right places and people. Neville Goddard taught that the world is yourself pushed out. He believed that everything we experience in our physical reality is a reflection of our inner state of consciousness. He also taught that we can change our reality by changing our assumptions and feelings about ourselves and our desires. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Decide what you want and who you want to be. Be clear and specific about your desire. For example, if you want to be wealthy, define what wealth means to you and how much money you want to have. If you want to be in a loving relationship, imagine the qualities and characteristics of your ideal partner and how you want to interact with them. 2. Formulate in your mind's eye what it would be like if it were true. How would you see the world if you were now the person that you would like to be? How would you think, feel, act and speak? What would your daily life look like? What would your environment look like? What would your friends and family say about you? What would you say about yourself? Use all your senses to make it as vivid and realistic as possible. 3. Yield yourself completely to the depth of your own being. How do you do that? Simply fall asleep in the assumption that your wish is already fulfilled. As you lie down on your bed, relax your body and mind and let go of any doubts or worries. Imagine that you are already living in your desired reality and feel the joy and gratitude that comes with it. Repeat a short phrase or affirmation that summarizes your wish, such as I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved. Feel the emotion behind these words and let them sink into your subconscious mind. 4. Trust that your wish will be externalized in your world. When you wake up the next morning, act as if your wish has already come true. Don't look for signs or evidence in the outer world, but rather focus on maintaining the inner state of your wish fulfilled. Expect that everything will work out in your favor and that you will meet the right people, do the right things and have the right opportunities to manifest your desire. Don't force anything or try to manipulate the circumstances, but rather let things unfold naturally and effortlessly. 5. Repeat this process every night until your wish comes true. Neville said that the time it takes your assumption to become fact, your desire to be fulfilled, is directly proportionate to the naturalness of your feeling of already being what you want to be. Therefore, the more natural and normal it feels for you to be the person that you want to be, the faster your wish will manifest. Keep practicing this technique until you feel that it is done and that there is nothing more for you to do. Neville Goddard used this technique himself to manifest a large sum of money when he was in need. He wrote about his experience in his book The Law and the Promise. I needed a large sum of money at once. In fact, I needed it by the end of the week. It was Wednesday. I took a piece of paper and wrote on it. I have $25,000 now. I did not write I will have or I hope to have, but I have $25,000 now. I folded the paper and put it in my pocket. That night, as I retired, I held the paper in my hand and read what I had written on it. Then I closed my eyes and imagined that I had $25,000 in my bank account. I felt the joy and relief of having that money. I fell asleep in that state. The next day, nothing happened. I did not receive any news or indication of where the money would come from. But I did not lose faith. I repeated the same process that night and every night until Saturday morning. On Saturday morning, I received a phone call from a man who owed me $3,000 for over 2 years. He apologized for the delay and told me that he had a check for me for $25,000. He explained that he had received a large inheritance and wanted to pay me not only what he owed me but also interest and damages. I was stunned. I could hardly believe it. But it was true. I had manifested $25,000 by using Neville Goddard's technique. Isn't that amazing? You can do the same thing if you follow Neville Goddard's technique on manifesting money. Remember, all things are possible to him who believes. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's teachings on manifestation revolve around the power of imagination and unwavering faith. You start by deciding what you want and who you want to be, creating a vivid mental image. You then yield yourself completely to the depth of your being, falling asleep in the assumption that your desires are fulfilled. This faith leads to actions compelled by a higher force, aligning your external world with your inner vision. It's a reminder of the incredible power that resides within each of us, the power to manifest our dreams and shape our destinies. This is how I manifest anything I want using Neville Goddard's method. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website, where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.